Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our 6-inch lift kit for the 5th generation Ford Super Duty. Now this is a complete lift kit, including tubular radius arms, built right here in Tennessee. Let's take a look at what's included in the kit. We'll talk about the radius arms later. First, let's take a look at what else the kit offers. Each part is engineered specifically for the Super Duty with this amount of lift to give you the best ride possible by maintaining factory geometry. And to start that off, we've got our track bar relocation bracket to make sure that front axle stays centered under the truck exactly where it's supposed to be. We offer a variety of shocks for the kit. This particular one has our premium N3 series. And like everything else, this is engineered specifically for the Super Duty. That means it's valved as well as its measurements are specific for this truck and this amount of lift. Next up, we've got our front brake line relocation brackets. We've got our front headlight leveling system relocation brackets, our front sway bar relocation brackets, front sway bar link brackets. Next to that, our front extended sway bar links, our front bump stop extensions, pitman arm, and rounding up the front, our 6-inch lift coils. Now for the rear of the truck. We're going to start off with our premium N3 shocks. We've got our fabricated lift blocks, much stronger than a cast block, and manufactured to give you the optimum pinion angle for your amount of lift. And accompanying those lift blocks are, of course, our extended U-bolts and all the necessary hardware. Now let's take a look at those radius arms. These massive tubular radius arms dwarf the factory equipment and look great while doing it. But they're not all show and no go. They are engineered to give you the proper caster angle for the lift without the use of drop brackets. They come with cam plates so you can dial in your alignment perfectly, and they're equipped with rubber OE style bushings to make sure you get the best ride possible. Not only does this kit lift your truck 6 inches, it also levels it off and allows you to run up to a 37-inch tall tire, further increasing your truck's off-road ability and great looks. So if you've got a 5th generation Super Duty and you're wanting to elevate its status, check out our 6-inch radius arm lift kit. Available today at roughcountry.com.